Concerned parents at Cults Academy on the day of the stabbing last October. A 16-year-old who can't be named for legal reasons was last month convicted of the culpable homicide of Bailey Gwynne. But were previous warnings about the killer's behaviour dealt with adequately? A question this independent review may answer. The killer regularly had a knife and knuckle duster at school and was spoken to about the dangers of knife carrying by his head teacher. And there's the significance of what happened here in this lane. The killer's lawyer has described as inaccurate reports that his client was involved in an earlier assault here in 2007. And he's insisted that the boy had not come to the attention of the authorities before. But we have evidence that Bailey's killer did attack a fellow pupil here that year. The assault involved a second child and it left the victim in hospital where he was treated for concussion. After a police investigation, the case was passed here to Aberdeen City Council. We've seen a letter from the victim's parents to a senior official about the attack, which specifically names the child who went on to become Bailey's killer. And we've seen correspondence from that official referring to both of the attackers and the police's response to the assault. As we revealed earlier this year, the victim's parents warned that the boy who went on to become Bailey's killer could strike again with more serious consequences. And we've spoken to credible witnesses at subsequent case review meetings where the parents repeated their warning. The terms of the review will examine, amongst other things, the extent to which public agencies were involved with Bailey's killer and whether they correctly assessed the risk he posed. One of those who first voiced concerns about the killer's behaviour, former MP Dame Anne Begg, says the review must reveal whether warnings were followed up. John McManus, reporting Scotland, Aberdeen.